Today, I'm going to show you how easy it is to switch the bike you love to an e-bike. Most e-bikes come at the same cost as a second-hand car, but at a fraction of the cost. You can get all the benefits of an e-bike and you can convert it yourself. It's just 3 easy steps. The only tools you need are a spanner and some Allen keys. Step 1, take off the front wheel and swap the front tyre with the switch motor wheel and fit it in. Step 2, connect the magnet disc and the pedal sensor to your bike. Step 3, fit the connector to the handlebars. And then all you need is the battery. So, if your knees deserve a break out there on those hills, switch. Switch can convert any bike into an e-bike. Visit the Switch website for more information and subscribe to our channel for more DIY e-bike conversion content.